Show you how to apply a cream. Just squeeze it like this if you have a baby. And could you see this white thing? You could just do like this and keep it wherever you want. Yeah. Or if this is like if you want to rub it, just rub it like this. So it can make you soft.
Yeah.
Or a different way. There are many different ways to rub. Keep it on your nose first and just apply it right.
My God, so cute, Anviku.
And
Ayush.
And also put it on your eye.
At your feet.
And also, and
So
if you want chubby cheeks, please oil your hands and then put it on.
awesome.
I saw one bubble, then it was the biggest bubble. Now again, hot.
Put it on your hands also.
And also
Arms. Okay, yeah.
Again, and also on your ears.
Okay.
And also on your legs.
Okay.
Just put a small dot and spread it out.
Anviku's already a YouTube star, beta.
And some.
And Ayush also. Okay, thank you. Okay, go. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe
For our channel.
for our channel.